I got sent this bird bath purification disc, and I'm excited to put this in my bird bath because it gets so disgusting. And this is 99.99% pure copper with a triple point support on the bottom so that it stays in place where it should be. It's easy to maintain because you just simply rinse it off when you change the water in your bird bath. Here you can see I'm just setting it right in there. It's good for purification, and it's got long-lasting performance because it is pretty much 100% copper, almost.